Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best HR and IT automation bundle for startups by comparing Rippling and Gusto. If you're looking for the best HR and IT automation bundle in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Gusto was built from the ground up to make payroll, benefits, and basic HR so straightforward that even a first-time founder can't mess it up. It's less of an all-encompassing command center and more like the friendly, reliable HR manager you wish you could afford, handling the core compliance and payment tasks that keep your startup running smoothly. Gusto lays out its pricing in plain sight, complete with a contractor-only plan for those early days. Its laser focus on payroll and benefits automation means you spend less time worrying about tax forms and more time actually building your company. It's the perfect, get-it-done-right solution without overwhelming you with features you don't need yet. Gusto is best for early-stage startups and small businesses that need to nail payroll and benefits without a dedicated HR team. It's especially great for companies hiring their first W-2 employees. The simple plan starts at $40 per month plus $6 per user per month. Higher tiers add more advanced HR tools, multi-state payroll, and time tracking. They often have promotions for new customers. While it handles the essentials beautifully, it's not a full suite HRIS. Advanced features like a robust applicant tracking system, ATS, or performance management are either basic or require higher tier plans. The entry-level plan is also limited to single-state payroll. The employee self-service portal is fantastic. New hires can onboard themselves, view pay stubs, and manage their own details, which significantly cuts down on administrative back and forth. The automated tax filing is a lifesaver. Rippling isn't just an HR platform. It's a command center for your entire employee lifecycle. Think of it as the ultimate new hire button. You press it and Rippling handles everything from sending the offer letter and running the background check to setting up their payroll, health insurance, work computer, and even their Slack account. It's the kind of automation that gives a founder back their weekend. What makes Rippling one of the best HR software for startups is its unique integration of HR and IT. While other platforms stop at payroll, Rippling keeps going, provisioning and deprovisioning third-party apps and devices automatically. When an employee leaves, one click revokes access to everything, securing your company data instantly. This deep integration is a game-changer for scaling tech companies. The recipe builder for workflow automation is ridiculously powerful. You can create custom, trigger-based workflows for almost any HR or IT event, like automatically ordering a monitor when an engineer is hired. It's best for tech startups that need to manage both people and their technology stack seamlessly. It's ideal for fast-growing companies that want to automate onboarding and offboarding from day one. The pricing starts at $8 per user per month. However, pricing is quote-based and modular, so you'll need to contact their sales team for a full estimate. Be prepared for base fees in addition to the per-user cost. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.